Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and click create, choose video landscape. You can upload your own media from uploads. I'm just going to use this image. Let's drag it, place it in the middle of the page and keep this empty space around the image. Duplicate, align it and remove the background. Go to edit, duotone, custom and change the color to white color and download this page as PNG. Increase a little bit the size, download, and let's upload it. Drag it to upload. Just delete the first images. And now let's drag the video, adjust the size, go to text and let's type our text. Let's change the font to zoomy and let's change the color as well. Increase the size. Let's place it in the middle and go to effects, choose left shadow and animate with succession and keep it both. Let's drag the little bit the text and let's keep it just 1 second. Let's click this icon and make the timeline bigger. Duplicate and let's place the next word here and let's edit the text. Go to uploads and let's drag the image that we already make. Remove the background and let's place it like this. Let's increase the duration and let's animate this image with stamp and let's bring the original image. Let's drag it, remove the background and increase the size to fit exactly this one. And let's animate this one with brush and here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.